Chrome is showing the error SPDI.inadequate transport security, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few quick fixes that can usually get the browser working again. This error often happens when Chrome is stuck on old network data, a bad cached connection, or security software is interfering with the site connection. So, we'll go step by step and keep it simple. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes, tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. It really helps the channel grow, and it makes sure you don't miss the next solution. Alright, let's get into the first fix. First, open Chrome and click into the address bar. Type Chrome, Net Internals Number Sockets, and press Enter. This opens Chrome's Network Internals page, where you can manage the browser's socket connections. If Chrome has stored a broken or outdated socket state, it can keep trying to reuse that same bad connection, which may trigger this error. Once the page loads, look for the button that says Flush Socket Pools. Click it to clear out those stored socket connections. This forces Chrome to start fresh instead of holding on to any invalid cached network state. After that, go back to the website that was giving you the error and refresh the page. In many cases, this alone can immediately fix the issue. If you still see the error, the next step is to clear Chrome's host cache and DNS data. To do that, type Chrome, Net Internals Number DNS into the address bar and press Enter. On this page, you'll see an option that says Clear Host Cache. Click that to remove old routing information that Chrome may be using behind the scenes. Sometimes the browser is trying to connect using outdated DNS or handshake information, and clearing the host cache gives it a clean slate. But we're not done yet, because your computer itself may also be storing old network information. Now open the Windows search bar and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and open it. In the terminal window, type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. This clears your system's DNS cache, which can help remove any stale address information your computer is remembering. Once the command finishes, you should see a confirmation message that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. After that, close Command Prompt and go back to Chrome. Try loading the website again and see if the error is gone. If the page still fails to load, there's one more common cause we need to check, and that is security software. Temporarily disabling your antivirus or firewall can help you find out whether it's blocking Chrome's secure connection. Some antivirus tools inspect encrypted traffic or interfere with certain SSL and TLS connections, and that can sometimes trigger errors like this. 1. If you want to test this, briefly disable your antivirus protection or any web filtering feature you have running. Then refresh the website again. If the site works after disabling antivirus, then you found the cause. In that case, re-enable your security software right away, and look through its settings for a browser protection. You should only keep protection off for testing, not long-term. So to recap, the main fixes for error SPDI inadequate transport security are flushing Chrome's socket pools, clearing Chrome's host cache, flushing your System DNS, and temporarily checking whether antivirus software is blocking the connection. These steps solve the problem for most users without needing any advanced technical work. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting me know which step worked for you. That helps other viewers facing the same problem. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.